friends, I'm going to show you how I put together a really nice little fruit salad with the fruit that I picked up the other day. You know, some of it, not all of it. But anyway, right here I got some grapes I'm going to put in there. And I got strawberries that I'm going to put in there. I've got oranges that are going to go in there. And I've also got some muskmelon I'm going to put in here. And the apples that I got, I already tossed them with a little lemon juice, so I don't need to add any to that. And to top that off, I've got a cup of walnuts that I'm going to put in there. Okay? And with that, look at how nice that's going to be gorgeous. My grandbabies love this. My whole family loves this, and I'm telling you, this won't last long. But anyway, so see that, how beautiful that is? Now, I'm using I'm just using plain old Cool Whip. And it's not light or anything, but you can get the light version if you like. There's not much difference, so it doesn't matter to me. I just use the plain Cool Whip. And I just tossed some Cool Whip in here. You don't need to add any sugar because the Cool Whip sweetens it. And it's wonderful. And then you got some nuts in there. Just keep mixing it in. You might have to add a little more Cool Whip. I don't think I'm going to. I think I got a plenty in here. This is absolutely wonderful. And that's it. That's how nice it is to make a little fruit salad. And this you can just bunch on. Let me get a bowl and I'll dish some up. Because I know my husband would love to have some. Isn't that nice? There we go. And he always likes a little extra Cool Whip on his, so I just put a little more Cool Whip on his. But there you go, friends. That's how easy it is. And remember, all this fruit that I bought the other day was on sale. So this is budget friendly and healthy. There you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.